Welcome to my dear aubergine. Today's truly excellent soup. It's very hot and my whole cucumber soup just excellent for the weather like this. It's just perfect. Minutes to make, it's cold above all, it's delicious and it's, do I dare to say, kind of elegant too. Just cooking for myself per mois today. So a very small portion, which is just as well because I have only a very small blender here. Some pieces I put aside to top the soup at the end. Fresh herbs, dill or fresh tarragon would be amazing here. I have fresh mint, which also is excellent. Good addition to this soup could have been avocado if you have a ripe avocado, a soft avocado, which I don't. And I don't want to anyway, I want to keep it very light actually. A couple of spoons of Greek yogurt, which again I don't have, neither I want to. But I have here some almonds, almond meal to enrich the soup and add some substance. Soup, smoothie, call it as you like. Boiled water, I like to keep some in summer at hand to drink. I keep it in the fridge very cold. So 2 tablespoons of ground almond and 100 ml of water, but I would add it in 2 goes. A little bit to start with, and once everything is nicely blended, I would add the rest. The rest of the water goes in, a bit more salt, a drizzle of olive oil on top, and it's better to eat it chilled, well chilled, absolutely delicious. Kind of crunchy. The colder the better, of course.